Nananatiling kapuso si King of Talk, Boy Abunda, matapos mag-renew ng kanyang kontrata sa GMA Network. Saksi, si Lars Santiago.
This has always been my home.
Sa kanyang muling pagpirma ng kontrata sa GMA Network, sinariwa ng King of Talk na si Boy Abunda ang kanyang humble beginnings as a kapuso. Mula sa pagiging publicist, di raw niya ini-expect na pupunta siya sa mundo ng telebisyon.
I didn't imagine I would get into the talk show business. I was working with Jimmy Films, and that was one of the proudest moments in my life. So I was here and I was over talking. So they noticed there was a possibility that I could have done talk shows.
Puno ng papuri si GMA President and CEO Gilberto R. Duavit Jr. para sa King of Talk.
Boy is a ray of light, you know, in the changing world, di ba? Siya nanatiling tapat, that freshness, that integrity sa kanya mga pinapublish, sa kanyang mga binibigkas na salita, and the way he is with his interviewees and his co-workers is something that is encouraging. Sana lahat moving forward manatiling may ganun.
Nasa contract signing din si Senior Vice President for Entertainment Group, Lilibeth G. Razonable, at iba pang opisyal ng GMA.
Nothing but gratitude for renewing with the network and with Fast Talk with Boy Abunda.
May mensahe para kay Boy si Chairman of the Board and Advisor at Chairman ng Programming Committee, Attorney Felipe L. Gozon.
You embody what GMA Network stands for: credibility, integrity, and excellence. You manage to maintain your superior standard of professionalism, and you stayed true to your values. Kaya nag-iisa ka lang, Boy. Nag-iisa lang ang Boy Abunda.
Sa ngayon, pinaghahandaan ni Tito Boy ang ikatlong taon ng Fast Talk with Boy Abunda. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Lars Santiago ang inyong saksi.
Mga kapuso, maging una sa saksi. Mag-subscribe sa GMA Integrated News sa YouTube para sa iba't ibang balita.